So right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a boatload of free SEO organic traffic using AI generated content. And before I start talking about it, here's some results. So this jewelry company we had here went from 0 to 10K monthly traffic through using AI generated content. This healthcare marketing company in the US went from 0 to 6,000 in SEO traffic using AI generated content. This pet supplement company, very competitive niche in the USA, doubled their SEO traffic in 8 weeks using AI generated content. Again, large workout supplements company based in Canada, very competitive niche again, doubled their SEO traffic within 90 days using AI generated content. Okay, so those are some of the results. And what all these companies have in common is not only did they get great results with this AI content, they all use the exact same AI writing platform, and that platform is Journalist AI. Complete AI SEO platform also does writing and auto blogging, keyword research, amongst a bunch of other stuff using AI. Okay, so if you go to tryjournalist.com, you can check that out for yourself, but I'm going to show you exactly how to generate this AI content fast, easily, and efficiently so you can get similar kind of results for you and your business. Okay, so if you go inside the dashboard of Journalist AI, by the way, if you want to test this out, you absolutely can. Go to the link below in my description. You get 3 free articles straight out of the bat just for entering in your email address. There's no payment details, there's no credit card or anything like that or agreement. You just simply get 3 articles and you get to test out the platform for yourself, okay? Easy as that, right? So I'm inside Journalist AI now, and it's super easy. If I want to create an SEO article, which obviously I do, I click on SEO article and we can enter in a keyword and an optional title. So I'm going to say, should I buy a Tesla as a first car? And that's my keyword. So I'm going to enter that in here. And I'm going to let Journalist AI take me through the flow, okay? So what I can do is I'm going to move my face out the way here because I can't really see. We can also then generate the article title. So I'm going to use the AI to generate the article title, and then also I'm going to use the AI to generate the article outline. So this is really important because what the AI is going to do is going to go ahead and analyze the SERPs for what's already ranking for this keyword in Google and come back with an outline based on that. Okay, so I'm going to save the changes here. Of course, I can edit that if I want to, but I'm just kind of flying through it for the purposes of this demo, okay? Now, in terms of article preferences, I'm going to probably leave things as they are out of the box, just so you can see an example of the type of content. But you can change all the different options here. Target country, USA, of course, your point of view, formatting, etc. And what you can do is you can actually upload a knowledge base. So if you want the AI to train itself on your existing assets, for example, your website, your blog posts from before, etc., your social media, you can go ahead and upload those, and then the AI itself will actually train itself on it. Very clever. Formatting for the blog post, and of course the structure. If you want to include some CTAs, key takeaways, and conclusion, FAQs, and of course how long you want the article to be. And this is really important here and really awesome time saver, the internal linking. So you add the sitemap from your website, and of course the external link as well. So we can add some links at a campaign level, or we can get the AI go ahead and analyze the search results and pick links from there, which is what we're going to do. And of course images as well. It uses DALL-E to AI generate the images, or you can use the stock images too. And it will actually add relevant YouTube videos as well. So I'm going to go ahead and save that as well, because I wanted to include some videos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I want to generate my Tesla article. So let's wait now and see what it comes up with. Okay, so the article has now been generated very fast, and as we can see, we've got an image of Tesla right there, and this is a preview of the blog post. So we've got our table of contents, brilliant. We've got our introduction, our key takeaways, and then understanding Tesla as a brand, even more images as well, pros and cons, etc. We've even got these notes, which I really like, and of course honest review of Tesla YouTube video, perfect. And if we go down, we should see a conclusion and some frequently asked questions. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this into the AI editor, and I just want to show you how easy it is to actually edit this article if you want to improve it with the AI SEO editor. A really unique feature about this platform. So say I wasn't happy with this paragraph here, I can simply highlight it and can actually rewrite this in any way I want to. So I can click on it. We can simplify it, we can make it longer, we can rewrite it, we can make it shorter, and also put it into either a list or a table. We can also add different keywords. If we want to put additional keywords in there or extra keywords, we can do that too. And also as well, we can add external and internal links. Now, I didn't set any internal links up here, so the button hasn't appeared. But with external links, if you remember, I let the AI choose, and there will be external links in here anyway. But if I want to put some more in, I can go bang, bang, and there we go. Easy as that, massive time saver on going out there and researching, fact checking, etc. Okay, and we can see we've got some links already there, YouTube videos, images, and then the FAQ. Okay, brilliant. So this is the exact same process as the companies I showed you at the beginning of the video did to produce their AI content. Now, there is more to SEO, of course, than just simply producing content, but this is the AI platform that they were using, and they went through the same process as well. But I just want to show you a really awesome way as well to actually steal your competitors' traffic while we're at it. Okay, and this is, you know, one of the easiest and best ways to actually get or boost your traffic or get your traffic up from 0 to a certain level. And we can actually use something in here called feeds. So what feeds does, it's a journalist AI unique feature, and basically what it does, it sets up well, these different feeds, as the name would suggest, about your competitors. So you would enter in your competitor's URL, and then it basically refresh every 48 hours whenever your competitor ranks for a keyword. Now, the beauty of this and why this platform is so good is I can connect this feed, which refreshes, to the auto blogging system, and have it produce a piece of content every time a keyword from your competitor appears. So anytime your competitors produce a piece of content, you will also produce a content on that keyword on autopilot. And we can see we've got the volumes and the difficulty, etc. here as well. Okay, super awesome. Okay, really amazing tool. And you know, if you want the same sort of results as the client list here, in particular difficult niches, then I would highly recommend you go check out this amazing AI SEO platform. It really works extremely well, and I think in today's using an AI buzzword in today's digital age, you need to be using a platform like this, or you're simply going to get left behind. So once again, if you do want to try this out, no questions asked, go through my link below. You will get 3 free articles, and you get to test the platform out just by entering an email address. No payment details required. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions regarding this process or AI SEO in general, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.